All right, we're back on the 620. I have these taillights to deal with. They've been giving me a heap of grief because these ones have the amber lenses on them for the turns. Factory, this would be all red here, and you'd have stop tail and stop turn combos. This is what I could get a hold of, and I like the amber, so I'm gonna rearrange it so that I have tail, stop tail, turn, and reverse, just like that. So problem being, there's no connectors on the back of these when you get them, and I'm not gonna hardwire these to my bed. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I already did one of them, just to make sure it would work. This is a 6-pin Deutsch, and I did the two tail combos into one, and then added a ground on the case of this, and then just pinned it all into the Deutsch. So I'll replicate that on this one. Okay, so if you've never dealt with Deutsch connectors before, it's nothing to be scared of. They are super easy to deal with, and they're really cheap. You can get them on Amazon, and you don't really need specialized equipment. I have this, also got it on Amazon. Anyways, this has little divots and then the crimping sizes for this type of connector, which are these type connectors here. So just crimp the female ends of these onto the male end of the block, and then the male ends onto the female end of the block, and you're good. Also have a pair of auto wire strippers, small clippy boy, and depinning tool. All right. Are you gonna help? Huh? Are you gonna help? Baby? You wanna help me wire? Huh? So I, off camera, wired these. This is 3 separate connectors, one for each tail light, and then one for the tail light sub harness at the back here. If I need to take the bed off, I can leave the wiring harness on the frame. So this is the tail light sub harness, and then it comes up to here where it splits. This will be the fuel tank sub harness, which I've already clipped with a Refinery 4-pin connector, which I will show and link. And then I'm gonna do the rest with the last Deutsch that I have. So let's do it. All right, I got the tail lights and the whole rear harness, including, I set the fuel pump down there. Got it all wired up. This goes all the way up to the dash underneath there. Obviously it's sitting out so that I can test it, but let's see if it works. All right, I have a couple of wires pinned up and the positive and negative of battery. Let's give her a test. Reverse, left, right, left brake, tails, brake. Tails, brake, and even. Can't hear it. Maybe can hear it. That's my fuel pump. All right, job done. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this short video on wiring up the taillights in the back half of my harness. I'm gonna link to all the stuff that I used. This is from Refinery. Those are those higher gauge or lower gauge wire, the larger wire connectors that I was talking about. And then I just got my Deutsch connectors on Amazon, and I'll link the tools that I use too. So thanks for watching. Please drop a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe. I want to get to 100 subscribers so I can get a better camera. It's my goal for myself. So thanks for watching. With the phone, come on.